Hello student, welcome to Concept of Chemistry. In this video, I will teach you Lawson rearrangement. This rearrangement is very important for your CSIR NET, SET, GATE and your MSc exam. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Now we can start the topic. Topic is Lawson rearrangement. Now we can see what is the starting material for Lawson rearrangement, what is the intermediate, what are the reagents and what is the product for Lawson rearrangement. The starting material for Lawson rearrangement is hydroxamic acid. Hydroxamic acid is the starting material for Lawson rearrangement. And what is the intermediate? The intermediate is isocyanate. Isocyanate is the intermediate. And what is the reagent? Here reagent are two types. In presence of base, Lawson rearrangement take place, and in presence of acid also Lawson rearrangement take place. What is the product? The product for Lawson rearrangement is primary amine. It is also an degradation reaction, means if in starting material 2 carbon, then in product 1 carbon, the 1 carbon is removed in the form of carbon dioxide. Therefore it is it is like a Hofmann degradation. Here in Lawson rearrangement also 1 carbon is decreased. In starting material if 2 carbon, then in product 1 carbon. Now we can see Lawson rearrangement in presence of base. In presence of base, here what is the starting material? Starting material is hydroxamic acid. This is the structure of hydroxamic acid. Here is the OH. In Hofmann degradation, starting material is amide, and in Lawson rearrangement, starting material is hydroxamic acid. To the nitrogen, OH group is attached. The name of acid is hydroxamic acid. Here in presence of acid, we get acyl derivative of hydroxamic acid. We get acyl derivative of hydroxamic acid. Here this lone pair of oxygen is attack on this carbonyl carbon and this OH is depart, and we get here R, CO, NH, here O, here CO, here R dash, this part from this acid. Then this step is reversible in presence of base. Here base abstract acidic proton. Here which proton is acidic? This proton is acidic. It abstract base, and we get here R, CO and here negative charge on nitrogen. Then here this alkyl group is migrate towards this nitrogen, and this part is depart, and this negative charge donates this electron to this CN bond, and here pi bond is formed, and we get here CO, here double bond, and here alkyl group. This is the intermediate. Then this is the intermediate, which is same for Hofmann rearrangement, Curtius rearrangement, Smith rearrangement. Here alkyl group, which on hydrolysis this alkyl and to the nitrogen alkyl group attached, therefore name is N-alkyl isocyanate. It undergo hydrolysis. Here water attack to this carbonyl carbon of isocyanate, and this nitrogen take proton from the acid. here acid hydrolysis take place, and we get here OH, here NH, here R. The name of this compound is, what is the name of this compound? Carbamic acid. This is the carbamic acid. Then under heating condition, here decarboxylation take place. This bond donates electron here, and this bond take this hydrogen, and we get here byproduct CO2, and product is primary amine. In presence of base, this is the mechanism for the Lawson rearrangement. Now we can see mechanism for Lawson rearrangement in presence of acid. In presence of acid, what is the mechanism for Lawson rearrangement? The starting material is hydroxamic acid. This is the formula of hydroxamic acid. Here this hydroxamic acid is react with hydrochloric acid. Here this lone pair of oxygen is attack on this hydrogen, and Cl is depart, and we get here CO, NH, here OH, here charge on oxygen is positive because lone pair is donated during the bond formation between O and H, and we get this intermediate. Then what happen here? Dehydration take place, water is removed. When water is removed, here after cleavage of this bond, water is removed, and we get here RCO and H. Here charge on nitrogen is positive. Why positive? Because here nitrogen form two bonds, therefore charge on nitrogen is positive. If nitrogen form 4 bond, then charge on nitrogen negative. If nitrogen form 2 bond, then charge on nitrogen is positive. If nitrogen form 3 bond, then there is a no charge. Then after removal of this proton, here this proton donates its electron to this nitrogen, because nitrogen is electron deficient here, and proton is removed. Here this bond donates its electron to this nitrogen. This bond consists of 2 electron. 2 electron means 1 negative charge. Bond consists of this one bond consists of 2 electron. 2 electron means 1 negative charge. Therefore here we get RCON, here lone pair, and here charge on nitrogen is negative. Then here this alkyl group migrate towards this nitrogen, and this negative charge donates its electron to C and N, and we get here CO double bond N, and here is the alkyl group attached to the nitrogen. Therefore name of intermediate is to the nitrogen alkyl group, therefore N alkyl isocyanate. This is the name of intermediate. Then after hydrolysis of this alkyl isocyanate, the hydrolysis take place in presence of acid. This water is attacked to the carbonyl carbon of alkyl isocyanate, and this bond take proton from the acid, and we get here this compound. What is the name of this compound? This name of compound is carbamic acid. Then under heating condition, decarboxylation take place. Here CO2 is eliminated, CO2 is evolved, and this bond take this proton, and we get here this product, that is primary amine. Thank you.